Hello guys, today I am going to build a PC with a low budget or you can say medium range budget which will be helpful for your office work and study work, and if you want to do editing you can add graphic card. It can be upgraded to 32 GB RAM as well. So let me show you what I am going to build it. If you want to build this PC from our shop is located in Kamanhalli and this can be done within 5 kilometers of range. You can contact me. So here is the board. It's a gigabyte motherboard which we already placed the processor, and it's a i5 10 generation process. So you can see it's a 10 generation i5 and it is under budget. Okay, if you want to know what is the exact cost, you can message me on the comment section and I will let you know what is the minimum cost to build this. Later on you can further do upgradation. With this motherboard we are adding a transparent cabinet that I'm going to show you further. So let's start assembling. So here we are using a Frontech snowy cabinet which is two sides transparent. Let me show you. So here is the CPU guys. The buttons are on the top with two USB ports. One is 3.0, one is 2.0, and two sides glasses are there. We are going to put a heavy SMPS on this one, medium range. So on this we are going to put this one, eyeball SMPS 500 watt. Okay. So guys, this is the SMPS. We have to put SMPS first. Yeah. Okay guys, so SMPS is fixed. The wire the wire should be inserted from these two. Then we will put this one at the end, and now we will put the motherboard. So guys, in this one we are putting a normal fan because based on budget only we have to modify it. Okay, later user can upgrade this one because the cabinet is good one. It has a NVMe slot as well, and graphic card obviously it will be there. RAM we are putting only 8 GB because of the customer budget. You can upgrade it, and for now no heavy fan, no graphic card. So that is why I call it a budget friendly assembly. And here is a normal fan. Now we will put it. We already have a heat sink here, but still we have to add some more. Here we are adding. Either you can add fan before putting the motherboard inside the cabinet, or you can put it later if you have experience. So this should be this side. Okay guys, the fan is locked now. We have to put this one here. Here is the main power plug, power connector, and this one we have to put it. Okay, so main wires have been placed. Now we have to turn this side. Here are the main wires which we need to open. This is audio USB 3.0, and this one is for power. So we will put it here. Button should be here, so we will put it from here. Now one power supply we need to put it here, which we can take it from this side. This is for the fan. Then we'll put SSD here. The budget, we are using SATA SSD. We will not use this one because we already used this one. The other one we will use it. So guys, this side work is done. So we will put this one clamp here. So here is USB 3.0, and we need to put it here. HD audio. Here is the HD audio. Now this one is USB, so front USB. This is done. Now finally the power section, the front panel. So here you need to be careful. If you have confusion, you can check it out the manual. Let me show you how to put it. So in the manual it is not mentioned which pin is which side, but if you have experience you can easily do it. Let me show you. One more mark is there. Based on that you can decide it. Here you can see it is written front panel, and based on this you can put the pins. So it is almost ready guys. We will check it out. So guys, we have completed assembling of a motherboard. Now final we have to test it, and then we have to install a Windows. Okay, it is turned on with two RGB lights, and the display also is coming. Okay, okay guys, as you can see, the display has come, and configuration also you can see it here. It's i5 10 generation, 8 GB RAM, and it's a Windows 11 Pro, 64-bit. Okay, and SSD is 256 GB, 256 GB. Only the thing is, we have to add this one, which is internal Wi-Fi receiver. We forgot to add it, and as I told you, the user can add more RAM and internal SSD and graphic card as well. So this is the basic model, or you can say medium price range CPU. If you want to build this PC from Sigma Computer, just search Sigma Computers Kamarhalli Bangalore, you'll find it. So hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.